Okay, we're recording. What's going on, everybody? Hey, I wanted to take a minute to answer a question someone asked in reference to how to link a document that you have to your terms and conditions that's located in your forms. So what I'm going to do is kind of share my screen so that you can see exactly what I'm referring to. So this will make it a little simpler. Okay. So here we go. Hopefully you can see this. We are in the forms section of our CRM. I'm not going to do that, but this is the forms section of the CRM. Let me make sure I save this so I don't make any errors. So in the forms section, this is when you're creating, say, your applications or any type of mainly applications. So when you're making applications at the bottom, you normally have something that you want people to click on just to confirm that they read the terms and conditions of whatever program that you're advertising or promoting, right? And in order to get this actual custom field right here, if you click over here to the left, it's add form element, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom. So you can see that, scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see T and C. That's terms and conditions. You'll click and you'll drag it over, right? I'm not going to do that because it won't really allow you to do it twice. So I already have it in here. So that's what this is referring to. And just so you understand what the question is, they're asking, how do you change, because you can click on this is hyperlink. So you can, how do you change what this document is? So the one thing is you want to have a document that has the terms and conditions information in there. Do all your edits and whatever you have, save it. And if you look up to the top, there's actually a link to that. So all my documents are saved to Google Drive. So I can actually click this link here or copy this link, put it in another browser or put it in another browser or tab, and I'll be able to go directly to that document. So that's in essence what you want to do. You want to take the link that this document is attached to, and you want to put it into that terms and conditions hyperlink. So we're going to go back to that. So this is what it's referring to here. So how do you change it? So if you go over to, if you actually, for instance, when you click on these actual fields, this side over here kind of changes. So watch this. If you click on it, it'll give you some other options for each section. So I'm going to click on the terms and conditions section over here. And if you see all the information that's written right here is over here on the side under text. So there are three little dots over here on the right side. If you click on the dots, you're going to see a URL option, and you're going to see I don't know what it's really called. Looks like a kind of like a Spark or whatever. But this adds and takes off this actual hyperlink option, right? So if I click on it, well, you have to kind of hover over it, or you have to click in the area. So if I click on this, the hyperlink goes away. So what I want to do is put it back. Well, click on it again. Put it back. There we go. Oh, my bad. So if you kind of highlight it and you click it there, then it adds the hyperlink, right? So I am going to add the hyperlink to this terms and conditions. So let me go back to where my document actually was. There it is. Let's copy it. We're going to go back to where we wanted to hyperlink. You're going to click hyperlink or link right there. You will paste that hyperlink or that actual site to this hyperlink. When you click confirm, it should show that it's hyperlinked, right? So now you want to make sure that you save it. So it automatically saves. Now you should be able to click on it. Once you click on it, that document will pop up. And you can do that with anything within your forms or any other part. Just you want to make sure you have the link, add the link to the additional options that's located in that form section over here. And there you go. Hopefully this helps. Good luck. and we'll catch you next time.